I am excited to share my favorite dish, a quick, easy, and delicious shrimp fried rice. Hi everyone, if you are my subscriber, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Bori and welcome to my channel. If you would like to support me, please subscribe and thank you. Let me show you how to make it. The ingredients for this recipe, you will need rice, shrimps. These are about 12 ounces. Half an onion, finely diced. 4 green onions, thinly cut. And 2 eggs. We're just going to beat the eggs until the yolks and the whites are fully incorporated. Now that our ingredients are prepared and ready to go, let's fire up the stove and start cooking. Warm up the pan on low-medium heat. Add oil. I'm using pork lard rather than vegetable oil. Pork lard is a natural healthy fat that significantly enhances a dish flavor. You can use the vegetable oil if you prefer. Pour in the mixed egg. And stirring it. Reduce the heat to low. Transfer this egg to the bowl. Add a bit more oil. Add shrimp. We are not going to cook this shrimp thoroughly. We just want the shrimp look golden on both sides. Add some salt. Now we can transfer this shrimp to the plate so they won't be overcooked. Add more oil. At this point, it's crucial to have the pans really hot so that when you add the rice, the heat will absorb all the moisture from the rice. Now that the oil is ready and the pan is hot enough, add onion. I am cranking up the heat to high heat. Okay, immediately add rice. Add some salt. And a touch of soy sauce. The soy sauce is about half a teaspoon. We don't want to add too much soy sauce, but instead using salt so that you will taste the juicy shrimp, the scrambled eggs, and the sweet onion. The rice are ready. Add eggs. Shrimp. Some green onion. Turning off the heat. Look at the fried rice. Amazing. I wish you could smell the aroma from the green onion and onion. Add more green onion. There you have it. Shrimp fried rice. Juicy, succulent shrimp. And the rice filled with flavors and aroma from green onions, eggs, and onion. I hope this video made cooking a little easier for you. If it did, please pass it along to someone else who might love it. Subscribe to join me for more recipe. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.